Hello everyone. Let's talk about how to install AWS CLI on CentOS 7. In this case, we are not using Yum because AWS is not available on the official repositories. Therefore, I'm going to search for AWS CLI and I'm going to go to the install and updating link here. After, I'm going to click on the version 2 and I'm going to search for Linux, but you can also use the version for macOS and Windows or also for Docker. I'm going to use Linux and I need to follow these instructions. I'm going to use the curl command in my terminal. Okay, it will receive the package. Okay, it just finished. Then I'm going to unzip it. Let's see. Okay, I'm going to unzip. Well, I already created a folder for AWS, so I'm going to move this to AWS. It's in my desktop. Okay. Okay, I'm going to unzip it. Okay, then I need to execute this binary, which is inside AWS folder and install. But I need to do it with sudo. Okay, I'm going to use the password for root. Okay, it already installed it, so let me try with AWS hyphen version. And as you can see, we already installed it. This is how you can install AWS CLI so you can start automating your deployments. I hope this is useful. Please let me know your comments. Thanks.